powerful performance, tough durability, and even more important, amazing fuel efficiency. In a world facing global warming, with skyrocketing raw material costs and other market changes, Kobelco brilliantly meets the needs of modern societies and work sites around the world. Our standard excavators deliver a 20% reduction in fuel consumption compared with previous models. And our hybrid excavator, the first ever developed, cuts fuel costs by an incredible 40%. Whatever your excavator needs, you can be sure of one thing: Kobelco saves you fuel. In 1930, the machinery division of Kobe Steel produced Japan's first domestically manufactured electric shovel. This was the starting point for Kobelco construction machinery, which has never wavered in its commitment to innovation. With a history going back more than a century, Kobe Steel uses advanced manufacturing expertise to provide value-added products in many fields, ranging from industrial materials to engineering services. Kobelco construction machinery is a member of the Kobe Steel Group. One advantage of being a Kobelco company is that Kobelco construction machinery conducts joint research on elemental technologies with Kobe Steel's Research and Development Division. Working closely with Kobe Corporate Research Laboratories, which conduct some of the most advanced research in the world, we pursue R&D in such areas as mechatronics, vibration and noise technologies, and processing technologies. These elemental technologies are put to creative and effective use in various Kobelco construction machinery products. We've been making construction machinery for over 80 years, always focusing on the changing needs of the times. With decades of accumulated technical expertise and a dauntless spirit of innovation, we've developed a wide range of superior products that embody our commitment to manufacturing excellence. Our devotion to manufacturing excellence is rooted in a simple commitment: to anticipate changes in the world and to use new technologies to satisfy emerging needs. Today's society faces many urgent issues: environmental conservation, the soaring cost of resources, infrastructure requirements, and natural disasters are just some of the concerns that must be managed. At Kobelco, our mission is to serve customer needs by providing optimal solutions. Our willingness to take on new challenges has led to the creation of many proprietary Kobelco technologies. In 2006, we came out with our Acero Geospec series, which achieved an impressive 20% drop in fuel consumption. This propelled Kobelco into the top ranks of fuel-efficient excavators worldwide through the adoption of fuel-efficient engines, the development of optimized engine and hydraulic control systems, and application of unique Kobelco expertise that minimizes hydraulic pressure loss. In 2007, we made another leap forward with the SR series, which featured our unique INDR cooling system. By closing and sealing the engine compartment and offsetting the ductwork, we achieved a low noise level comparable to that of mini excavators. INDR also is effective in keeping dust out of the system while simplifying maintenance. In 2009, we introduced the SK80H, which reduces fuel consumption by an amazing 40% compared with conventional machines. The prototype was unveiled at the Intermat exhibition held in Paris in 2006. Kobelco originality extends to the developmental process itself. To streamline product development, we created our own tools. Our Hill simulation bench system, for example, uses analytical technologies to evaluate actual components such as engines and pumps. When used in combination with 3D CAD, we can reduce lead time and speed up the developmental process from basic design to mass production. Our Hiroshima plant manufactures Kobelco products for Japan's domestic market and for such overseas markets as China, Southeast Asia, the United States, and Europe. As Kobelco Construction Machinery's mother factory, it engages in product development and serves as a model for Kobelco manufacturing facilities throughout the world, providing efficient production and stringent quality control that ensure the stable supply of high-quality products. The construction market is extremely tight in Japan today. There are fewer public projects, unit prices are down, and restrictions on exhaust gases and CO2 are having an impact on the industry. These developments have made Kobelco products more attractive than ever to contractors, who recognize the true value of world-class fuel efficiency. That's why Kobelco is now widely hailed as the brand that both protects the environment and boosts profits. With its astounding 40% reduction in fuel consumption, our hybrid excavator has been certified by the ministry as a low-carbon machine and was awarded the 2010 Minister's Award for the Prevention of Global Warming by the Ministry of the Environment. In these and other ways, Kobelco technologies are highly valued by public institutions and society at large. With society's increased emphasis on recycling, Kobelco was one of the first to develop a wide range of recycling machine products, such as our nibbler attachment in 1977 and Japan's first vehicle dismantling machine in 1979. Evolving with the times, our products are widely used for construction, metals, and natural resources. About half of all Kobelco hydraulic excavators are manufactured in China, where the average hydraulic excavator operates more than 3,000 hours a year. Because fuel accounts for a large percentage of operating costs, anything that reduces fuel consumption is important. Kobelco machines are known throughout the world by the nickname Kobelco 820 because we've succeeded in boosting productivity by 8% while reducing fuel consumption by 20%. Kobelco Construction Machinery was one of the first Japanese construction machinery manufacturers to anticipate China's rapid economic growth and establish factories there. In 1994, we established Chengdu Kobelco Construction Machinery, a joint venture with Sichuan Chengdu Chenggong Construction Machinery to serve the growing market. In 2003, we founded Chengdu Kobelco Construction Machinery Group to provide sales and repair services throughout China. Later that year, we also established Hangzhou Kobelco Construction Machinery to help keep pace with ever-increasing demand. In 2009, new manufacturing facilities were completed and production capacity expanded at Chengdu Kobelco Construction Machinery. Our factory in Hangzhou produces machines ranging from mini excavators to 30-ton excavators. To ensure product quality, an independent quality control team operates separately from the manufacturing personnel to provide third-party inspections of everything from procured parts to final output at each production line. At the same plant site, Kobelco Precision Machinery Hangzhou manufactures swing reduction units, a crucial excavator component. Our facility in Chengdu, Sichuan Province is the largest factory Kobelco Construction Machinery operates. A full range of excavators is manufactured here, from mini excavators up to 40 tons. All products are built under a strict quality assurance regimen, with functional inspections comparable to those carried out in Japan. To ensure that production technologies are constantly improved, personnel undergo technical training on a regular basis, so that all Kobelco products have the same high quality throughout the world. Kobelco has a long history in Southeast Asia, beginning with the 1978 founding of Kobelco International Singapore. Keeping pace with the growing market, we've established other sales subsidiaries in the region, beginning with Indonesia in 2000 and including Malaysia and Vietnam. In Oceania, we established a sales subsidiary in Australia in 2001, enabling us to supply just the right products from region to region. Demand for resource development is growing in Indonesia. Our fuel-efficient excavator in mining configuration is the preferred machine in coal mines throughout the country. Meanwhile, Kobelco mini excavators are a favorite on palm plantations, where their superb operability and mobility are put to good use. In Australia, demand is growing for mini excavators, full-size excavators, and our newly introduced multi-dismantling machines. After the currency crisis that struck Southeast Asia in the 1990s, the region entered a period of growth. In 1996, Kobelco was one of the first to build a plant there, with the founding of Thai Kobelco Construction Machinery in Thailand. With continued market growth in Indonesia and Thailand, we built a second factory at the same site in 2008, where we currently produce 13, 20, and 30-ton excavators. Production technologies are constantly being upgraded to ensure the consistent quality of Kobelco products throughout the world. Original improvements in paint technologies in particular help to ensure that our Asian customers receive excavators of the very highest quality. After these many successes, Kobelco is now entering yet another new market. That market is India, which is experiencing a boom in infrastructure construction. In 2007, we established a sales center in New Delhi, followed by a hydraulic excavator factory completed in 2011, where we've begun local production of the highly popular 20-ton machines. As in our other plants, personnel undergo regular training sessions to upgrade production technology so that product quality is maintained at the same high level as in Japan. On December 31, 2012, Kobelco's global alliance with CNH Global expired. For the first time in 10 years, we are now independently developing our sales network for construction machinery in the Americas, Europe, Russia, the Middle East, and Africa. Taking up this new challenge, we have begun to market models that conform with environmental standards in Europe and the United States. Kobelco is always striving to bring better products to the world market in more efficient ways. That's why we've created a global engineering center that optimizes our development, production, and procurement activities from a global perspective. We have also recently completed a new factory that features some of the most advanced production capabilities in the world. These two new facilities began operation in May 2012. Kobelco saves you fuel. This is more than just a slogan, and we will continue our quest to improve efficiency, productivity, operability, and all other facets of operation, always pushing the limits of what a hydraulic excavator can be. Applying our proprietary technologies, we will continue to develop new products that delight and support customers around the world. The world's top brand, Kobelco.